Times we see cases coming to the emergency which require operation. Many a times we tell the patient and the patient party that, look here, your problem needs to be treated, and that treatment here will be operation, an emergency one. Many a times what happens is patients wait for either the mother to come or the uncle to come and give the consent. Anybody who is above 18 years of age and his mentation is okay, such a person can give consent for his or her treatment. But here, unfortunately, what happens is patients keep waiting because somebody elder has to come and give the consent. So this is also one unique problem where I'm sure you people from the media can also help us in this regard. Make people aware of their own rights, that they need not wait for somebody else, senior, to come and give consent. We do understand the role of an uncle here is very, very important. But I think in a life-threatening situation, some of the niceties we can overlook. At least if the patient is willing for the surgery and surgery is really required, that is the best way we can save lives. So many a times this also becomes a point of misunderstanding between us and the patient parties. This I'm quoting one example. And there may be instances where the doctors may be wrong. We are also humans. But nobody does any act which can lead to death of a patient willingly. Okay? We always try our best.